Hi guys! Welcome to my cooking channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to cook Nilagang Baboy or Pork Nilaga. Here's what we need for this recipe. You may pause the video to list down all the ingredients. Let's start cooking. In a large pot, add pork. Make sure that the pork is already washed and cleaned. Add water. Cover and set temperature to high heat. Once the water starts boiling, you will notice scums on the surface of the water. We will need to remove these scums so that your nilaga will look presentable. These scums are natural, even if you wash your pork thoroughly. When scums are removed, add chopped onion, whole peppercorn, saging na saba, and sweet corn. Cover and simmer for 30 minutes on high heat temperature. After 30 minutes, add salt. And pork cubes. Adjust the amount of salt and pork cubes according to your taste. Stir until well blended. Cover and simmer in high heat for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add pechay or cabbage. Submerge the vegetable in the soup. Cover and simmer for 3 minutes on medium heat. After 3 minutes, your pork nilaga is ready to be served. Thanks for watching guys! Please like and subscribe for more cooking videos. Bye!